Hey there, fellow car nerds. Welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk. Let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1957 Ford Thunderbird replica, listed for $12,000 US in Dundalk, Maryland. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1957 Ford Thunderbird replica sits on a 1988 chassis, 1978 Ford 302 V8, 1978 C4 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, heat and aftermarket AC, removable hardtop, no soft top, runs, needs some TLC, clean title, no trades. And up next we have a Dune buggy, listed for $8,000 US in Augustine, California. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. Built on a 1967 Carbon Ghia, freshly built 1641cc motor with less than 300 miles, has a tow bar so it can be flat towed, may consider a 3-seater Sea-Doo or 2-seater side-by-side in trade, clean California title. Alright, here we have a 1934 Frasier Nash, listed for $7,000 US in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. It's been driven 72,920 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1934 Frasier Nash kit car with 68 VW motor, 4-speed manual trans, asking $7,000, price is negotiable. Okay, next up we have this 1970 Porsche 914 with a body kit, listed for $12,000 US in Plymouth, Connecticut. It's been driven 125,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, custom 1970 wide-body 914 Porsche needs a little bit of bodywork and a paint touch-up, 2-liter flat 4 and 5-speed transmission, California title, Connecticut registered for over 10 years. The engine runs well, but the carburetors need some tuning. The brakes were stuck from sitting, so the brakes will need some work. I'm firm on the price and it's cash only. We'll consider classic car or a late model Toyota trade. Alright, this one seems vaguely familiar, so if I listed it previously, my apologies for including it a second time, but I do love the Cheetah, so even if I did, I'm listing it again. Here we have a 1960 Chevrolet Cheetah listed for $16,750 US in Arcadia, Ohio. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, we'll consider trades for 30s to 50s hot rods, vintage Harleys, or Indians, has a bill of sale from the manufacturer, Shelley Valley Fiberglass. Once it is completed to state DMV standards, you can take the bill of sale to get the kit car titled in your name. 1963 Corvette 327 cubic inch engine with an automatic transmission, has the roof with removable T-tops as well. Alright, a second Dune buggy. This is a Killison Dune buggy, listed for $13,000 US in Gonzales, Louisiana. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, Killison body, orange metal flake paint, mag wheels, new seat covers.
Ready, going?
Yep.
Okay, any Hardcastle and McCormick fans here? This is a 1982 Manta Montage Coyote listed for $50,000 US in DeLand, Florida. It's been driven 11,260 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, Coyote from Hardcastle and McCormick replica, Manta Montage kit car, modified to look like the Coyote, custom built tube chassis with a 1993 Pontiac Grand Am V6 motor and tranny, clean title, runs great, permanent T-top car, and doors do not open, so you need to get in, Dukes of Hazzard style, no trades, cash only. Alright, here we have a 1936 replica Lincoln Mark IV, listed for $11,500 US in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1936 Lincoln Mark IV Mini Mark, all newer brake system, clutch, pressure plate, bearing, etc. New 1600 dual port motor, built for it from the block up a few years ago, only has about 500 miles on it, firm on my price. Okay, one more Dune buggy here. This is a 1970 Dune buggy, listed for $11,500 Canadian in Val des Sources, Quebec. From the seller's description, this is translated from French, Volkswagen Dune buggy, good condition, no trades. Alright, bringing up the rear, we have this 1966 FiberFab Aztec, listed for $20,500 US in Dover, Pennsylvania. It's been driven 7,629 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1966 Aztec kit car, 1972 Beetle frame, Type 3 VW motor, 1600cc, carbon gear brakes, clean title. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you will not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.